question number 56. Let's read it. In the hydrocarbon CH3CH double bond C double bond CH2, the state of hybridization of carbon atoms 1, 2 and 4 respectively are. So student, first of all, the compound we are given with is this, and this is carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have to answer the hybridization of carbon atom 1, 2 and 4. So here the hybridization is sp2, here it is sp, and here it is sp3. That means the correct answer is represented in option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 57. Let's read it. An organic compound contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Its elemental analysis gave carbon 40%, hydrogen 6.67%. The empirical formula of the compound would be. Student, first of all, in this question we are given with 3 elements. The elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Then here I am writing the percentage of all the given 3 elements, 40%. Then we have 6.67%, and the amount of oxygen will be 100 minus 40 plus 6.67, which is equals to 53.3. Then we have number of moles, and then we will be calculating the ratio of number of moles. Number of moles is equals to given percentage upon molar mass, which is equals to 3.33. So 6.67 upon 1 is equals to 6.67. 53.3 upon 16 is equals to 3.33. So ratio will be 3.33 upon 3.33, which is equals to 1. 6.67 upon 3.33, which is equals to 2. 3.33 upon 3.33, which is equals to 1. So it is very clear that the empirical formula is CH2O. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 58. Let's read it. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding resonance? Students, in this question we are given with 4 statements and we have to identify the incorrect one. So let's read. The resonance structures are hypothetical and do not represent the real molecule. This is a correct statement. Resonance structures contribute to the actual structure in proportion to their stability. Again a correct statement. The energy of the actual structure is lower than that of the any resonance structures. Again correct. The difference in energy between the actual structure and the highest energy resonance structure is called resonance energy. This is an incorrect statement, as the difference in energy between the actual structure and the lowest energy resonance structure is known as the resonance energy. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is question number 59. Let's read it. Maximum priority as per the IUPAC is of. Student, I'm writing the correct order of priority. So here priority CN followed by CHO followed by C double bond O, that is ketone, and the least priority is given to OH. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 60. Let's read it. On treating sodium fusion extract with sodium nitroprusside, appearance of a violet color indicates the presence of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur or halogen. Student, this indicates the presence of sulfur. I'm writing the reaction S2 minus on reaction with FeCN5 NO2 minus violet colored compound is formed, which is FeCN5 NOS4 minus. So the appearance of violet color indicates the presence of sulfur. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question.